How to change password of your Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Netflix account. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up the Netflix application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Now once you're logged in, simply go to any profile you'd like. Now once you're on your profile, you will be taken to the Netflix homepage where you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and then go to the option account. Now you'll be taken to this page where you can see the option named change password. Simply tap on it. After that, first of all, you'll have to enter your current password. Now once you've entered your current password, the new password, and re-entered it in the box below, you'll be provided with an option where you can sign out of all of the devices that are currently logged into your Netflix account. Now you can simply tap on this option or you could leave it as it is. Now once you've done that, once you tap on the save option, you'll have successfully changed your Netflix password. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.